Yeah, so we wanted to produce an open plan living, so enabling us to dine, sit, and then enjoy the kitchen and enjoy the garden. So basically a room where we're going to live in for the majority of the time of the day when we're in the house. Yeah, my favourite feature in the kitchen is the island. Initially we were going to have it 900 wide, and my wife talked us into having it to 1200, and it was the right decision. It's the focal point of the room, everyone gathers around it, and yeah, it's definitely my favourite feature of the kitchen. Yeah, I was really happy with the ordering system online. It was fairly straightforward in terms of ordering the different carcasses and plinths, etc. And what was really good as well, once the order had been placed, there was someone at the other end that was going to check that order to make sure that you hadn't missed anything. So that gave you a bit of confidence that everything was going to be okay. I wanted a kitchen that could be bespoke with the colours I wanted, and that's when I came to yourselves. Yeah, I would definitely use DIY kitchens again myself if I needed to, and would happily recommend it to friends and family. In fact, one of my friends is ordering a kitchen for next year, and my father-in-law is having a kitchen as well. Yeah, so the kitchen's a long time in the making. A lot of blood, sweat and tears gone into it, and it's a fantastic room now. We're happy with it. It makes us happy every time we come into the room. So we love the space.